Two ads.
One showdown.
Which campaign hit harder? Welcome to Ad versus Ad, where we break down the stories
Strategies.
and impact of the ads that shape our world. So, today I have something very exciting.
What?
Same brand, same product, but two different ads. And we'll compare which of these iconic ads worked more. So, can you guess the brand?
No, you tell me.
5-star.
Okay,
Cadbury
okay.
5-star.
Okay.
Can you guess which ads I'm talking about?
Ramesh and Suresh 100%.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have two Ramesh and Suresh ads.
Okay.
So let's see which one works more. So can we play the first ad?
So we are watching the original ad
The
first.
हाँ भाईजान, हम सोच तो रहे थे
मास्टर जी,
लड़के वालों की तरफ से।
पिताजी की पतलून एक बिलांग छोटी कर दो।
हाँ,
ये ले।
बात करके देख लो। 10 ले लियो। जी 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 जी, बिल्कुल सही। हाँ जी।
रमेश, सुरेश,
जनाब करते क्या है?
मास्टर जी, पिताजी की पतलून एक बिलांग छोटी कर दो।
अच्छा, वो भी दर्जी है। 20 ले लियो। हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
मास्टर जी, पिताजी की पतलून एक बिलांग छोटी कर दो।
बीए कर रही हैं। 30 ले लियो। देख लो, जैसा आप कहें।
अबे मास्टर जी, पिताजी की पतलून एक बिलांग।
कैडबरी 5 स्टार की हर बाइट में है चॉकलेट, कैरमल और नोगा। तो बस खाइए और खो जाइए।
So this is the first ad. Let's watch another Ramesh and
And
Suresh
this is a
ad.
decade old.
Yes. Let's watch another Ramesh and Suresh and see which one works.
Yeah. So it's the same cast? Or they just look same or dress same?
Same cast. Different hairstyle.
कैडबरी 5 स्टार में है चॉकलेट, कैरमल और नोगा। तो खाइए और खो जाइए।
Okay. So which one did you like more?
I think the Master G one.
Okay.
That had more working for me.
Yeah, it worked more.
That had more things working for me in that.
Yes, I think this one is also equally comical,
Huh?
but that one is the original idea. It's placed better,
Huh.
and yeah, I would say yes. The original is the original.
Acting wise, I think that worked more.
Yeah, I mean these characters are like brothers, right?
Yeah.
Like almost twin brothers.
हाँ.
Ramesh, Suresh.
Ramesh and Suresh.
So the idea is what? What is the idea behind this? Like, what are they trying to show? Tell me that.
I think if you have 5-star,
Huh.
you'll forget all the worries in the world at the moment. You are lost in the taste.
I have to say one thing, like with the original ad, I think the person who's laughed the most is the Master G. He is laughed. He's on the phone and he's laughed the most because वो एक बिलांग ही कह रहे हैं, उन्हें 3-4 बिलांग काट दिया. मेरे को सच में लगा कि मास्टर जी असली में खोए हुए हैं. You
Okay.
like those two, like whenever they say Master Ji, वो गुस्सा हो जाते हैं फिर से, right?
हाँ.
And then they eat the chocolate and फिर वो खो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
So chocolate is taking them to a trip.
हाँ.
बट जब वो ट्रिप हटता है, जब वो देखते हैं हमेशा कटी हुई, तब वो गुस्सा भी होते हैं.
हाँ.
बट मास्टर जी तो खोए हुए हैं.
मास्टर जी फोन पे है
मास्टर जी अलग ही लेवल पे खोए हुए हैं.
वो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड अलग लेवल पे.
अलग तो
But-
असली चॉकलेट तो मास्टर जी ने खाई हुई है. जो मास्टर जी के पास है असली तो वो है चीज जिसको खा के बंदा खो जाता है.
हाँ.
5 स्टार तो रहेगी. I'm sorry, I just saw that. I mean, मैंने तो बनाई नहीं ऐड. This is a 3 character play, right?
Yeah.
Ramesh, Suresh and Master Ji.
Master Ji.
The guy who laughed the most is Master Ji.
But Master Ji is not lost.
Why?
You're wrong.
How?
when he cuts the first time, he
Yeah.
says 10 रुपए ले लेना.
हाँ.
When he cuts the second time, he says 20 रुपए ले लेना.
हाँ.
When he cuts the third time, he says 30 रुपए ले लेना. He's still very much present. He's doing what he's been asked.
That's true. But एक बिलांगी तो कह रहे थे वो 3
एक बिलांग, एक बिलांग, एक बिलांग.
Ah.
क्योंकि उनका instruction is thrice.
Ah, I get it. Ah, okay. So both are lost. Master G is not lost.
Master G is not lost. He knows how much money he has to
Then it's a
recover.
brilliant ad. Then it's a brilliant ad. If Master G is alive and kicking
हाँ.
and doing this in just business sense and professionally, it works. Because then whenever they eat the chocolate, they're lost.
They're lost. They come back to
They
square
come back
one.
to square one and then they eat it and they go back.
हाँ. And then again they say एक बिलांग, एक
It's
बिलांग.
beautiful.
So Master G is not lost.
Okay.
That's the beauty of this ad.
I thought कि तीन मतलब what kind of professional master is it कि एक उसने उसको बिकनी पैंटी बना दिया एक पैंट को पैंट से पैंटी ले गया यार वो मास्टर
तो उसने तो वही किया ना जो उसको बोला गया.
उसने तो नहीं कहा पैंटी बनानी उसने तो एक
एक बिलांग तो
बिलांग।
मेजर करके ही डिड.
हाँ ही डिड और वो रोकते भी नहीं है
हाँ.
वो खाए जा
वो
रहे हैं
खाए जा रहे हैं.
और खड़े हैं वहाँ पर अब क्या करेंगे जब वो इतनी सी बच गई है पैंटी अब क्या करेंगे आगे अब क्या होगा अब मास्टर जी बोलेगा कोई बचा नहीं है
नहीं.
तो मास्टर जी बेसिकली तब तक कर रहे थे जब तक उनको पैसे कमा सकता दिख रहा था अब मास्टर जी को दिख रहा है मैं इसको कुछ नहीं कर सकता मास्टर जी बोलेंगे
That is
sorry.
where the ad ended. Why
And-
are you dragging the ad?
No, I'm
Why are you
thinking
going आगे? Be
it
present
works.
in
It
the
works.
ad.
The ad works. It's a brilliant ad, and it's done very creatively.
You get lost
You
when
get
you
lost.
eat 5-star.
You get lost. Location is one. The
Authenticity that
authenticity
the
is there.
location
It's
is
not even
there.
a set. It's a real location.
You never know, it can be a set also, but the authenticity
Is there.
of the whole thing is there.
Yeah, that's true.
Master G is looks like a Master G. These guys look like they
Brothers.
are onto something, but it's 5
I thought
stars.
they were onto something more in the other one.
On the other
Because
one,
in this one they always come back.
हाँ,
मतलब whenever the taste of the chocolate goes,
Goes.
वो गुस्सा हो रहे हैं देखकर.
हाँ.
तो they are not on
Okay.
something.
हाँ.
It's just the sweetness of the chocolate.
हाँ.
It
okay.
goes away.
हाँ.
You have
But
to bite
the
again.
other one now,
The other one, I think, it's like clearly like they took it a level ahead. It's like you are stoned or something. The second ad doesn't make sense to me. ये तो अंधे हो गए.
second वाला ना,
तुम मतलब बाइक से गाड़ी में आ गए. तुम मतलब अंदर बैठ के तूने पहले चाबी घुमाई गाड़ी की. गाड़ी ऑन छोड़ गया कोई अब पता नहीं मेरे ख्याल से ऑफ जो भी है.
but हाँ,
On
pedal
चाबी
की
कोई-
जगह you're putting.
पेडलिंग यू बैलेंसिंग अ बाइक यार तुम बैठे हो आराम से तुम गाड़ी ऑन कर रहे हो तुम गियर लगा रहे हो तुम एक्सीलेटर दबा रहे हो और तुम मैनुअल गाड़ी चला रहे हो वो वैन थी
हाँ।
वो ऑटोमेटिक नहीं आती
नहीं.
तुम मैनुअल गाड़ी चला रहे हो और तुमको पता नहीं चला ये चॉकलेट नहीं है ये कुछ और की एड थी
नहीं, but then again, now you've mentioned it.
या
They have more expression in that Master G ad. ये starting से ही they are lost when they've not eaten the 5 star. 5 star तो बीच में आई जब वो रुके और उस शॉपकीपर ने 5 star दी. ये तो बिगनिंग से लॉस्ट दिख रहे थे बैंक रॉबरी वाले में.
हाँ कह सकते हो मतलब दिख ही नहीं रहा कुछ चश्मे इतने मोटे हैं
हाँ, एक्सप्रेशन तो वही है ना.
वहाँ वो कुछ है ही नहीं वो उनकी एक्शन है
वो
कि
एक्सप्रेशन,
पता ही नहीं चला
हाँ,
उनको
और वो एक्सप्रेशन थ्रू आउट सेम रहा है इवन आफ्टर ईटिंग 5 star.
Yeah.
5
And,
star तो
and
इनको
second
बीच में
ad is
मिली.
actually, I think, functional, very basically shot.
हाँ.
Very basically.
Basically
मतलब it's like
shot.
गुड़गांव की बिल्डिंग के बाहर.
But it's a very, again, it plays into the characters. The brand has played very well into Ramesh and Suresh.
I mean, it works. I'm not saying
हाँ.
the second ad doesn't work,
हाँ.
but it works in a very different way.
हाँ.
Everybody knows what's going on when they
हाँ.
watch this ad.
हाँ.
The second one, when you watch it, you know exactly what they're trying to sell you.
हाँ.
They're saying
I
कि
know.
5 star तब खानी है वो बता रहे second ad में.
हाँ.
Ad one is separate.
Yeah. I
Ad one is
agree.
separate. Ad 2 में like it's a suggestion कि you should eat 5 star only when you're stone types.
And messaging is more clear on the Master G one.
Yeah.
The more things are happening, more production values there in the Master G one.
Yeah.
Second one looks more basic.
Yeah, it does.
And I think the impact, I think for me, and the winner for me is the Master G.
Master G one any day.
Yeah.
It is the original ad. It introduces them as brothers.
And it plays very well
Very
with the
well,
character. Very
very
well, excellent casting.
Yeah.
Ramesh and Suresh.
I think could be anybody. Like when I saw the second ad, I didn't know कि ये पहले वाले से ही आए हैं because there's a
हाँ.
decade, almost 4-5 years of difference
Difference,
between
yes.
both the ads.
Yeah.
So I don't know कि same लोग भी थे कि नहीं because the costume is such you can
हाँ.
put a wig on anybody. वो वैसे
I
लगेगा
think they
पीछे से.
played very well with the caricature of Ramesh and Suresh. You can replace it.
So they are like stoners, right?
हाँ.
Ramesh
No,
and Suresh are like
they're
stoners.
like two people who like 5 stars.
I think they are stoners who
No,
like 5
they're
stars.
like two people who like 5
I
stars.
really think the idea behind this idea is to sell 5-star to stoners. The second
नहीं
ad
था,
actually is
because
harping on
it's
this
sweet.
only. कि क्या आप खो जाओ, क्या ऐसा कौन खोता है चॉकलेट खा के? हाथ आ जाएगा गाड़ी में मेरा दरवाजे में.
No, but you eat 5 star and see.
मैं तो नहीं खाता मीठा.
But that's what I'm saying. Eat 5 star and see. Maybe you'll understand it.
हाँ मतलब it's a good way of selling it to stoners. What I'm saying. They are actually positioning it as
Yes.
a stoner.
I don't know if
chocolate.
they intentionally did it or
It
not.
is intentional.
But it plays
The
very
character's
well.
clothing is that. Look at what they're wearing. They're wearing gamche over jackets. They don't know what they're wearing. It is. उनके बाल ऐसे हैं कि कभी काटे नहीं, चश्मे लगा लिए कि मेरे को कोई देख ना पाए,
हाँ.
और मैं जाके क्या कर रहा हूँ, गंदी हरकतें. वो मास्टर जी भी
क्या
बोलेंगे
गंदी
क्या खा कर
हरकतें?
आए हो तुम यार. नहीं,
What
वो
gandhi
वो
हरकतें?
मास्टर जी भी बोलेंगे क्या कर रहे हो भाई तुम, ये क्या लेके
But
जा
I
रहे
think
हो.
it's more fun.
It is fun.
So for me, I think Master G
Master
wins.
G.
For you?
Both are same.
Both are same?
Both are same.
You tell us in the comments which one is more
Both are
for
same.
you.
Both are same.
For me, it's Master G.
Both are same. Both are
Okay. See you.